So next up we will have Liezel, who will just who would like to present the a travel guide that APEC South Africa has put together, and I'll let Liezel talk more on that. Over to you.
Thanks, Marshall, and thanks, Isabel, once again. We have something really exciting to share with you. We've been working on a travel guide and an expedition guide for SANAP-related expeditions, but the travel guide is geared towards international travel, so conferences or your lab visits or whatever the reason may be for your travel. So you can download it from our website. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
I'm hoping.
Okay,
yes. So I've posted the links in the chat box. It's under resources. We have a travel guide here and then packing lists for international travel or whatever expedition you are going to. And I just want to quickly show you what it would look like. The travel guide covers all the expeditions. It's hyperlinked to packing lists, which is either here in the appendix or appendices, or you can download it as a printable list that looks like this. And when you go on your expedition, you can just tick the boxes. It's really nice. It's been compiled by all of us on the committee that are from different disciplines and have gone to either Sanai or Marion. But I think maybe the most valuable part of this is the international conference checklist. So this is the one I've got open here. And it just shows you everything you need to do before you leave the country. So anything from applying for a visa to how to book your accommodation, how to secure funding. And we've got a whole section on that in the travel guide. I'll maybe just jump to that quickly. And if you've never been on an expedition, we tell you more about the ship. But this is something really nice to go have a look at. Let me just look at, okay, international travel. This is where you are. You probably can't read it, but that's okay. So we've got a downloadable checklist. How to plan your trip. So how do you book accommodation, flights? The budgeting is maybe the nicest part of it here. Okay, it's going to take me to the website now. But how to budget your trip, and once you've budgeted, how you can go apply for funding. Once you have your funding, then how to plan and arrive safely. And also we have a whole section on conferences. So once you are at your conference, how do you make the most use of your conference? This guide doesn't replace anything. There's quite a few similar guides online from different societies. APEX also have the Interact Field Guide, and there's lots of resources on the SunUp website as well on what you need to pack and what you need to bring on an expedition. So this was not meant to replace those guides, but merely to supplement it. And we refer you to websites with original information also if you need it. So this is free for download and sharing and printing. And this is part of our celebration of Polar Week to help you all just give you that extra boost in preparation you need for your next expedition or trip. So it's available on our website as from today. So download and enjoy. And that is my story. Thanks, Marshall.
Thanks, Liezel.